Alright guys, welcome to lesson 4 of the cellular respiration unit. So let's go ahead and take a look at this diagram over here. So at the top we have a chemical reaction or equation of photosynthesis, and on the bottom we have a chemical equation of cellular respiration. So let's go ahead and take a look at these answer questions and go over your answers. So it says, look at the diagram above. What are the reactants of photosynthesis? So we're looking at photosynthesis and we're looking at our reactants. Remember, reactants come before the arrow. Those are the things that are needed in order for this specific chemical reaction, photosynthesis, to occur. So we definitely need carbon dioxide and we need water. So your answer should have been carbon dioxide and water. The next question asks us about the products. Remember, the product is what's created at the end of a chemical reaction. And so for photosynthesis, what we get or what we make is glucose, oxygen, and water. So that should have been your answer for question number 2. Then we're moving on to looking at cellular respiration, and we're looking at the reactants of cellular respiration. Again, remember, the reactants are what comes before. Reactants are the things that you need in order for a chemical reaction to occur. So in order for cellular respiration to occur, you need glucose, oxygen, and water. So you need glucose and oxygen. And then your products are what you get at the end. So after cell respiration occurs, you get carbon dioxide, water, and energy. All right, let's take a look at this next question. So it says, Miss Moorhead is growing tomatoes in her garden this summer. She planted them where they would have plenty of sun, and the tomato plants have been in sunlight since early morning. So we know that it's daylight, it's early morning, they've been in the sunlight. So it says, read the story about Miss Moorhead above and answer the following questions. Are the plants in sunlight? Yes, they are. What process, photosynthesis or cellular respiration, happens when producers are in sunlight? That's the key word where it says producers. We know that cellular respiration happens in daylight and nighttime, but in here the question is specifically asking us about producers. So plants, when they're in sunlight, we know they go through photosynthesis because sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. During this process, is carbon being taken in or is it being given off? So thinking back to photosynthesis, right? What do plants need in order to go through photosynthesis? They need carbon dioxide, so carbon is being taken in. And then what is happening to the amount of energy in the plants during this time? Well, the amount of energy during this time is increasing, right? Because they're taking it from the sun to go through photosynthesis. When you're done, press that next button and get started with your exit ticket.